Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh,
Hi, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Hey, we're just doing a little update on what we've been up to and what we're going to get up to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, perhaps we won't tell you everything we've been up
Well,
to.
not everything. No.
Most things.
Keep a few things secret.
Yeah, that's right. So we've both been working pretty hard, and consequently there hasn't been too many videos.
No.
Been a bit quiet.
Yeah, I had a little admin job in Blenheim, and we also both looked after Greg's elderly dad.
Yeah.
So, you did a bit of your Mito stuff, and
Yeah.
yeah.
And then I carted 1,000 tons of grapes in the Marlborough grape harvest. Big, full, hardest I've worked for quite some time.
Thanks, Greg. That's next year's wine sorted for me, anyway.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Definitely. So what we're up to, we're currently looking after an eco retreat in the far, far north, aren't we?
And the weather has been rubbish, but when it gets better, we'll definitely give you a tour because this is such a special place.
Very special.
Even wearing my gummies.
Yeah. So how long are we doing that for, Sands?
So about 5 weeks while the very hard-working owners go away for a well-earned break.
Whoa. It's my brother. Are you sure he's hard-working?
Oh, Joanna is.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we have been only here a few days, and I will agree he has got a few jobs on the go.
Well, we're actually up here without a caravan.
Yeah, caravans in Wellington, getting a few jobs tidied up. Then we're going to pick it up and we're going to the Midwinter Rally in National Park. Really enjoyed that last. Jayco Rally in National Park. Really enjoyed that last year.
It was quite cold from memory. Probably got something to do with it being under a blooming mountain or something. Yeah.
Then we might just do some wandering around, like
Kiwi
Kiwis.
Wanderers or something.
Kiwi Wanderers.
Yeah. What a thing.
And what's the most important update we've got, Sandy?
Oh, okay. So I went for my 3 monthly checkup and had all the bloods done and that sort of thing. Saw the haematologist, and I'm all G at the moment.
Yeah.
So pretty excited about that. It was a really good discussion with the haematologist, and feel really good about the progress and my health. So that's awesome.
And we had a super positive meeting with the haematologist, and I put it down to the way we're living our life.
Yeah, pretty much.
And the people you're living with.
Yep.
Good.
Yeah, I put it down to that too.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but later in the year we are going to do a bit of an overseas trip, aren't we?
We are. Yep.
We're going away for about 3 months, and we're going to Canada,
England,
Croatia,
Turkey,
somewhere else,
Mediterranean.
we're
doing
a
Mediterranean
cruise, yes.
And then we're spending a little bit of time in Paris.
Why are we spending time in Paris, Sandy?
Because I quite like the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, obsession with the Eiffel Tower would be more
Actually, I might even get a tattoo.
Yeah, that'd be right.
No, I love the Eiffel Tower for some reason, so we're spending a few days in Paris and then popping into Singapore on the way home.
Yeah. So we're not sure whether we're going to do videos of our travels. So if you'd like to see videos of our travels, then please leave us a message in the comments, or on Facebook, or on Instagram, or somewhere, or send me a snail mail. So I don't know. Yeah.
Pigeon.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So we just want to say thanks for the messages we've received.
Yeah.
Just basically saying, hey, what's happening to you guys and everything like that. We really appreciate it and appreciate you guys watching.
Great to have support.
Yeah, we have just been busy, I suppose.
Very busy.
But we're going to try our very best to do a few more videos now.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. See you out there.
Tonight we're